It ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
Shit.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Come witches.
Don't be playing coy with me,
Come with us,
son. It's
then.
unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has
I
set
wish I
up.
talked
What
like
you're
that,
doing out
man.
here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
You're saying the exact same thing,
So
just much
Marston
cooler.
told you it ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah
Now
along.
compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles? I'm ready. Gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Yep.
Let's.
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find
There's
a
my
good
zebra.
spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks, and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
Ah, you're a funny feller, John Marston. From what folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about. Bear left here, towards Rhodes.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Cause I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gunner seat. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog, please.
Not this again.
Fine.
Shut up.
Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We hit...
Do it to it.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Nothing good is right.
I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Go on! Get on there! Bastard! All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money,
Everything you got.
valuable.
Gonna need all your money, my friend.
Let's make this quick.
Can I rob her too?
We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
This is unnecessary, please.
Just one.
Have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here.
Maybe what you got, mister. You won't get hurt. What's the problem here? Money, valuable. Now!
Do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay,
Get
come on.
robbed,
Okay.
mister.
In the bag,
Everything you got.
Keep it coming. Don't
Me
be
all
shy.
your
You
stuff.
like you make me sick.
Everything.
You seem to think
Me
we're
underwear.
playing games.
Give me socks. What?
This is
What'd you say?
unnecessary.
Gun
Please.
down, I beg you.
What'd you say?
Sick is better than dead, lady.
What about you?
And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Give me your iPhone.
Just do what he says, so this can be
Ladies
over.
and gentlemen, this is a robbery.
Money,
Let's make
nothing
this quick.
else. Make me hurt you.
Take that. On to the next car.
You sure about that?
No,
Me.
you go ahead
Son
and
of
look
a
for the
bitch, we
baggage
ain't
car.
playing around here.
Huh?
Give
me stuff, boy.
Everything we got.
Yeah.
Money, valuable. We ain't
Gonna
leaving
need
till
all
this
your
bag's
money,
full.
lady.
You won't get a
Best
decent
see
man from me.
Let me hand you over
Get
to my
robbed,
friend, mister.
Give me everything you got.
Give me everything.
Don't help me.
Come on. Money now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be
Hey,
shy.
what you got, mister.
Everything you got.
Won't
Let's go.
get hurt.
This is
Gonna need
unnecessary.
all your money,
Please.
my friend. You got a big problem.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay. Empty your pockets, mister. You can be on your way. What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
This time I'll...
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very fun.
Been maxing.
Looking good in here.
Oh, I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
No, tennis rackets in there. Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me. We'll take that.
Come on, we should get out of here.
Not quite yet, sir.
All right, we should probably be going now.
Some decent stuff.
I need to find a fence and
These folks are rich, all right.
yeah, I can't take that.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
All right, in that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Man, my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
won't tell you again. Come out now with your hands.
Look out on the left! Here come the friends!
Got a load of lead!
Come on, coming through the trees, you see him?
Right there, man!
Oh, he's still breathing!
Get rid of him, quick, so we can...
Run for it! Look out behind us! Coming in on horses! Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here! That's enough creeping around. Let's go, Arthur, come on! Mount up, Morgan, we gotta go! Come on.
Yep. Right, let's lose him. Now start running. Finish him off.
Turn back now. What are you waiting for, Morgan? Let's get out of here.
Come on, we need to move now.
Let's go, what are you playing at?
Yeah. You need to move now.
Whoa! Ho, ho! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.